Tell me how y'all cook y'all steak. I cook my steak well done. It has to be well done. No other way. Well done. A little Spanish fry. Got a little potatoes. You know what I'm saying? Over there. Yes, sir. Cooking it in. And no, this is not for my husband. This is for my son. Potato. Steak. Nice steak. If y'all cooking y'all steak like this, nice, pretty. I like it like this. Keep giving it a little. I'm putting no mojo in it today. I just let it do a little, let it fry. The knees start to get weak. Tell me what you think about this steak. It just sizzle.